I'm Rafael Andres, and I'm running for Deputy for Marketing. So, on thing intro lang, I'd like to give a brief background. I started AMS first year, like almost everyone, and I began to become active in the org just this year. I asked myself kasi, why not, ba't hindi ko binibigyan ng chance ng AMS nung first year? And so, during the start of the second year, I decided to apply for 4 teams, and actually, I participated for the LTS. And in that short amount of time, I actually realized that AMS can grow and that AMS has a really, really great potential. And so again, I asked myself, I think it's time to become part of that change, and it's time to actually become involved in achieving AMS potential. So in line with that, I'd like to present my 3 main points, which are improved member involvement. For this year, or for next year, I would like to do this by implementing new marketing systems. Kasi from before, in marketing teams, they were parang deployed for every project. If elected, I would like to make the teams more efficient by making the teams work throughout the whole year. By implementing the teams, parang yung teams, all the Mafia members will be deployed into teams, and all those teams will be in charge of a certain category. For instance, yung isang team in charge for food, the other will be in charge for drinks, logistics, so that everyone in the pool is working, and that walang idle time. To efficiently do this, I would like to hone their marketing skills by inviting them to the talks. Medyo useless kung ako mismo yung gumawa ng talks kasi unti lang yung Mafia members. So, I mean, not that much are involved in Mafia. So, I would like to invite them in the talks done by other orgs so that may sense of marketing sila para during their work, they can apply all the things that they learn. Third would be the required individual consultation. Kasi this year, actually, medyo, I haven't really worked with most Mafia members. So I think it would be nice if magkaroon ng individual consultations. Second point would be to establish secure connections with orgs and companies. Ito naman talaga yung goal ng marketing. So in order to do this, I would like to target year-long sponsorships for the org. Basically, by refining the marketing packages para mas ma-entice sila na mag-partner and sponsor with them. And in doing this, this would also update the marketing database para mas madali for other people and for the future exit-off to contact the orgs and companies. Last would be last would be to implement other means of funding kasi hindi naman talaga, we can't really solely rely on the sponsorships, partnerships. So, I would like to highlight the importance of solicitation letters kasi medyo maliit yung, kahit malaki yung AMS, not everyone is working. So, I think solicitation letters would be an effective way for AMS to gather funds for the org. Second would be to improve selling of merchandise. Ito yung parang yung Infinity, ganun, yung mga selling for fundraisers. And last would be that, I actually talked to Freddy about this. And we would like to revive yung fundraisers. Yung bazaar. The bazaar was held last year, and we'd like to revive that because it boosted and it actually gave funds for the org, which is still being used now. And that's it. Thank you.
So we'd now like to call on Rex to provide wrap-up questions. So, my question would be, kasi yung year-long sponsorship, that would come before the flagship project of AMS, specifically Camp Math, Signayan, na around August, September siya, diba? And then, yung privilege card team, if meron man, mag-work sila from summer onwards, so baka mag-extend siya until July, August. And yung recruitment of new members would be around late June to July. So, in terms of manpower, paano mo i-allocate yung sa privilege card, tsaka yung sa gagawa ng marketing package ng AMS?
For the marketing team kasi ng privilege card, pero madali na privilege card. Ang gagawin nila would be to employ people from the mafia department from the year before, so from this year. So kuha ka ng people from the mafia. And then, since kulang yung manpower, at the start of the year pa lang, what I would like to do is to kind of involve the other, parang, if you send the sponsorship or the packaging letter from the privilege card, parang isabay mo after doon, parang dadagdag ka ng isang pang letter regarding parang if your company wants to partner with us during the year, batak us lang, para efficient din. Kasi sa privilege card team, marami kang kinakontak, and throughout the year, medyo nababawasan yung mga kinakontak. Mas efficient sana kung yung privilege card team, every time magbibigay sila ng proposal sa isang company, sabay na nila after yung sa year-long sponsorship.
Okay, thank you, Rafa. Okay, audience, score mo, show mo. Guys. Bait, A na. Ay, may D. Galing kay ano? Bakit D yan? B ba? Oo, okay. Bakit B niya?
Because I have question.
Okay. Okay, you reserve your questions for later.